Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite your friends to the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions and some articles. From here we have to go into the profile menu in the bottom right corner. Then in the middle we find invite friends. We tap on this. Then if we tap on share invite link, it's going to copy the link to the clipboard, which we can send to our friends. And when they sign up and list their first 3 items, we are going to receive sum of money. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.